So let's see how to use if else if in C program. Okay, using if else if else in C program. Okay, so first let us include std io.h standard input output header file for printing operation. Okay, so now void main. Okay, so there we are going to write our program. Okay, so now C program to check whether your student has got A grade or S grade mark. Okay, so A grade means it is above, greater than or equal to 90 marks. Okay, greater than or equal to 80 marks. Okay, and S grade means greater than or equal to 90 marks. Okay, so now let's declare the variable int C program marks. Okay, so here let's read the data from the user using scanf statement. So scanf %d, this scanf is there in the standard input output header file. Okay, scanf %d comma ampersand C program marks. Okay, so we are going to read the data from the user. Okay, so whenever you read the data, if it is integer, %d will put, and if it is if you are reading integer data, whatever the variable name and before that ampersand you have to put. Okay, so scanf followed by the format specifier, whether it is integer or floating point data character you have to give. Okay, then comma followed by ampersand symbol for reading the integer data, means ampersand variable name. If it is floating point data, ampersand floating point variable name. Okay, so like that we have to put. So the data will be read and it will be stored in the address, whichever the address is. Memory space is allocated in the main memory for storing the C program marks. Okay, so if C program marks, if it is greater than or equal to 90, okay, so we are going to print that the student got S grade. Okay, else if C program marks, if it is greater than or equal to 80. So if it is greater than or equal to 90, it will go here. If it is greater than or equal to 80, it will go to this else if part. Okay, so printf the student got A grade. Else we just want to print that the student got pass mark. Okay, so now let's execute the code. Let's check if any error is there. So it's prompting us to enter the mark. So let me enter the mark as 91. Okay, the student got S grade, it is telling. So I entered the mark as C program marks. If you want to print enter the marks, you can print enter student marks. Okay, so it will prompt us, then we can enter the marks. So enter student marks, it's prompting. So now I'm going to write 92, I'll enter. The student got S grade. So now once again let me run the code. If I enter 83, this is A grade. Okay, and if I enter less than that, Okay, if we enter 45, okay, simply the student got pass mark, we want to print. Okay, so I hope this program is clear to you. You have learned how to use else if, okay, in C program.